Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A53 PRO, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down right away. When you're ready, click on Password and Security. Now click on Screen Lock section and tap on the best option for you: pattern, PIN or complex password. In my case, pattern. After you select, you need to create your login method. Then choose Next at the bottom right corner. Repeat it in order to confirm it, and hit Confirm at the bottom right corner as well. So now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!